In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Cquartz 3.0 ceramic coat. I'm going to be going over whether or not I think it's worth it to ceramic coat your vehicle. We're going to be doing some water tests on here, seeing how hydrophobic the paint is. So let's jump right into the video. Guys, so this is my 2006 Ford F-250. Like I said, we done the Cquartz 3.0 ceramic coat on it, and it's pretty much like a wax on steroids. So the ceramic coat protects the paint and makes it a whole lot easier to clean. I will say that I've done a couple of burnouts, and it makes getting the rubber off of the back a whole lot easier. It literally just blows off with a pressure washer, and you'll see that here in just a second. I'm going to show you how the water just sheets and beads right off of this paint. So as far as installation goes of the ceramic coat, it wasn't super hard to install. I'm not going to go over that in depth. If you all would like to see a video on how to install the ceramic coating, please comment down below. But pretty much the surface was prepped, fully clay barred, iron decontamination, and a light buff on the paint to get rid of most of the swirls and deep scratches. And then I gave the whole truck a spritz of alcohol and completely wiped the surface clean and free of any waxes or sealants or any particles that are on the surface. Done the ceramic coating, and it's now been a year, and the ceramic coating honestly is still holding up super well. So you can pick this stuff up for under $100 on Amazon and do the whole vehicle yourself for right around 300 bucks, buying all of the right chemicals and stuff to do this, which I'll link in the description down below. A couple of the chemicals and stuff that you'll need to achieve a good ceramic coat job on your paint. So now that you all know which ceramic coat was used on this truck 1 year ago, 1 year later, we're gonna go ahead and pull the truck out of the garage, bring the water hose over, and the tailgate has been painted recently, so I didn't ceramic coat the tailgate, and the front driver's side fender, or I'm sorry, the front passenger side fender has also been painted, so it is not ceramic coated, it's not waxed, it's not anything. Same with the rear tailgate, no wax or anything. So we're gonna show kind of a side-by-side comparison of some of the body panels that have been ceramic coated versus the ones that haven't been ceramic coated. So let me back this thing out of the garage, and then we will start spraying some water on it. Okay guys, so we have the truck backed out of the garage. We can now spray some water on this paint and kind of show you what this ceramic coat does. So I'm going to go ahead and spray water on the door, and then we'll go back to the tailgate and kind of show you the difference. Here's you a little bit of a different angle. So as you can see, the water just beads and goes right off of the paint still even after a year. So as you can see back here on the tailgate, it's a completely different story. The water is still just lurking around here and right here. Obviously, if I spray it, as you can see, there's no beads or anything. It's still soaking wet. It's not dry. Even if you had a blower on this to blow dry it off, it's not really gonna blow. That water is really not gonna just blow right off. That water is still just sitting there. And this water over here is literally almost gone. It just beads right off. as you can see. So you could imagine how mud, dirt, grime, road dust, all kinds of stuff is not gonna stick to the paint as bad. And like the rear back here, stuff is gonna stick to that a lot easier. It's gonna make water spotting a lot worse. Go ahead and pull the truck back into the garage and finish this video out. Alright guys, so we got the truck back into the garage. So my final overview on this CarPro Cquartz ceramic coating, and I have tried out other ceramic coatings on the market on other vehicles of mine and on customers' vehicles, and this is the only ceramic coat that I will put on anything. Of course, you've got IGL and fancier brands like that that you have to be a dealer for or go through certification for. But as far as consumer grade ceramic coating, this seems to be the best and seems to hold up even against the chemical guys and the Adams Polish ceramic coating. So really recommend that you go out and grab you some CarPro. This is completely unsponsored, nothing like that. I do not make any money from CarPro, just trying to get you all, the consumers, the best ceramic coat that you all can possibly get your hands on to protect your nice rides and nice vehicles out there. Street bikes, Harleys, dirt bikes, side-by-sides, you can do the ceramic coat on pretty much anything. I even done the kitchen table and the cabinets inside of my house and the stove. I've done like all kinds of stuff inside of my stove. It actually works great for cheaper furniture that I guess it's made out of like the pressed wood, like the pressed particle board. You can actually buy the cheaper nightstands and cheaper furniture from stores, and then I put 2 or 3 layers of ceramic coat on those, and the water just sits on top of it and it won't even bead up and cause big water spots. On the cheaper furniture, I know that's completely off subject, but it's nice if you're moving in somewhere in a little apartment or somewhere in a newer house and your budget is low, like mine was whenever I moved into my apartment. I bought some cheaper furniture, ceramic coated the hell out of everything, and it worked out perfect. So make sure that you click that subscribe button down below, because we are going to be testing and putting this ceramic coat through some brutal chemical tests in a later next video. Here in a couple of weeks or so it should be up. We're going to take multiple different chemicals and spray on the doors or bed or wherever and compare panel to panel and see what this ceramic coat will really hold up against. So we're going to definitely see how tough this stuff is in a later video. So make sure that you stay tuned and subscribe to the YouTube channel. But like I said, all of the stuff that you need, some chemicals and prep supplies, will be in the description down below, as well as a link to the CarPro Cquartz 3.0. So don't forget, check out the description below, click on those links. So it'll make it easier for everybody to find the products that are in this video that I talk about and use. So I always try to link everything in the description box below. Thank you all for tuning into the Justin Hawk Smith channel. I will see you all in the next one. Really appreciate you watching the video. If you made it this far, smash that thumbs up button. Hope you learned something. Hope you made up your mind on whether or not to ceramic coat your vehicle or to have it ceramic coated. I will see you all in the next one. Peace.